Have you ever wondered why you feel nervous before an exam, why medicine can calm a racing heart, or how on earth machines are learning to think like us? The answer is neuroscience. Think of it like a giant house with 4 rooms: psychology, biology, medicine, and artificial intelligence. Let's walk through each one and see how they connect back to the brain. Psychology is where we study behavior, thoughts, and emotions. But psychology alone can't open the black box of the brain. Why do you remember your first day at school but forget what you ate last Tuesday? Neuroscience steps in. The hippocampus records and stores important memories. Why do you freeze with fear sometimes? The amygdala is firing. Psychology asks the why. Neuroscience answers with the how. Together, they're two halves of the same mirror. Now step into biology. Here, we see the raw materials, cells, genes, and hormones. Neurons passing signals. Hormones like adrenaline speeding up your heartbeat when you're stressed. Genes quietly shaping how your brain develops. Biology reminds us, the brain is not floating outside the body. It is the body, and this leads us to medicine. In this room, science meets people's lives. A stroke patient learning to speak again. A Parkinson's patient moving freely after treatment. Someone with depression finding balance as brain chemistry is understood. Medicine takes what neuroscience discovers and uses it to heal, to repair, to give people back their lives. But neuroscience doesn't stop at healing, it also inspires new creations. Finally, we enter the room of AI, the future. When scientists built neural networks, they borrowed the idea directly from brain cells. With brain-computer interfaces, people can control machines using only their thoughts. And now, AI helps neuroscientists analyze brain data faster than ever before. It's a two-way street. Neuroscience inspires AI, and AI helps unlock the brain. So when you put it all together, psychology shows us the mind, biology explains the body, medicine repairs when things go wrong, and AI pushes the frontier of what's possible. All of it circles back to neuroscience, the science of understanding ourselves.